Hello. Thought I'd talk to you a little bit about the lightning cables that are used for the iPads and the iPhone. And I'm not sure if they're used for any other of the products or not, but those are the two that I know of for sure. Anyway, is yours broken? Are you having problems with it keeping your device recorded, charged? Well, I'll be right back to show you how I fixed mine. Alright, let's start with what you need. You'll need some kind of a lighter. Doesn't really matter. It's just a big lighter and it's got electrical tape on it for some weird reason. I couldn't tell you why. Maybe some scissors. Don't worry, you're not going to cut the cord. Then the main dude here, shrink tubing. This is, and I don't know how well I'll be able to see it. I'm going to hold it up to the camera. You guys can look for the size on there because I'm not real sure what it is. The reason I'm emphasizing about the size is because this was just a little bit too big for my project. It's about how wide it is. I should have done a video as I was progressing through the repair and I didn't. This is the end result. Oops, wrong direction. I've used 3 layers of shrink tubing on here, and what it does is it almost eliminates the flex or the bend in the cord so that it holds everything the way it's supposed to be. Now notice, I thought this was very important, where on this white plastic piece right here below the business end, I made sure I brought a layer up about halfway up that plastic. My first layer is below the plastic completely. My second layer overlaps and it goes halfway up this white plastic, just about halfway down the existing shrink tubing that was underneath. And then my third piece I put back from just below the plastic down. Maybe it was overkill, maybe not, I don't know. I had it laying here. It didn't take that much of it, so that's how I fixed it. So far, perfect. I would tell you how much that shrink tubing cost me, but I've had it laying around here in the garage for a while. In fact, I don't even think I bought it. I think I inherited it when I got some tools from somebody else. But just a little quick video. Oh, maybe I should mention, somebody's probably going to ask me this, right? Because they always do, you know, the little basic dumb things. Shrink tubing is heat activated, hence the lighter. So after you get the shrink tubing and you put it on the cable, what I did, and you be careful kids, I don't want you to get burnt. I held mine down here at the very end while I heated up this end down here away from my fingers. Anyway, I just blew it out. Yeah, so I got that end melted and secured. Waited for it to cool. What did I just say? Waited for it to cool. Then I put this end in my grubby little paws and I heated the other end. Now keep in mind too, if you say you heat the middle, okay, and you're waiting for it to cool and it's not cool, and you say, oh, well, I'll grab this end while I'm waiting for it to cool. There's metal in this end. Metal stays hot for a while, okay? So, sorry. I'm just having a good time with this video today while I wait for my computer to come in from the repair shop. But anyway, if you find this video helpful, if I was even remotely humorous, which I'm not usually humorous, Subscribe to my channel. That's always the spiel here, right? But most importantly, give me a thumbs up. You know, it helps. And you just never know what kind of video is going to come out of me next. All right, appreciate it. Bye.